Alright, let's make some money. Alright, let's go. Easy ways to make money online. Alright, let's see what we got. Okay, so alright, okay, cool. Let's okay, start a dropshipping business. No. Okay, no. Okay, so all of these take weeks and months to do. Okay. Alright, so as you saw, terrible suggestions if you really want to make quick money in a couple of weeks or even less than a week, even less than a day. So in this video, I want to go over 3 quick ways you can make a bit of money online. This is obviously not going to be life-changing, but it's going to help you pay some bills. It's going to help you pay for dinner. It's going to help you put a bit of extra money into the bank. So yeah, hopefully this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this type of content, and let's get straight into the video. One of my first favorite ways of making a bit of extra money is user testing or paid research online. So UserTesting.com is one of my favorite websites to use. It's very regular, I guess you could say. A lot of other websites don't have as much tests you can make money. These tests come out so often. As long as you keep an eye on your emails, as you register, you'll probably get a bunch of tests every day. And just to give some proof, some completed tests that I've done over the years from last year, did quite a lot, as you can see, all $10. And these take, 10 to 15 minutes. So you're pretty much getting paid, at a kind of rate of like $50 to $60 an hour, which is great. And these pop up in your email. So if you're bored, just do one, get $10 that can pay for, your dinner for the night. So yeah, I'll put some links in the below of other ones that you can do apart from UserTesting.com. But yeah, paid research, online testing and stuff like that, really good money, really pays off the bills. I did an exercise where I made $500 a month doing this. In another video, I'll link it here. But yeah, definitely check this out if you really want to make money. Very quick way to sign up. Only takes a day to sign up and get approved. So number 2 is doing tasks online. Now I know Americans use TaskRabbit. In Australia, we use Airtasker. And to give you some examples, so as you can see, the work I've done before, doing email, flyers, online newsletters, and doing a test for a Q&A app. So a lot of these are going to be skills that you might have. For example, if you're a marketer, or if you're even a lawyer or someone who has a HR like resume experience. So I'll give you a look at what I see here. So browsing tasks here. So in Airtasker, I can actually choose remote tasks only. So obviously these websites you can do delivery and stuff like that, or moving stuff, but I'm looking at online opportunities only. So for example, here you got a cover letter. You have a legal medical advocate. So you have even electrical problems. So if you're an electrician, you might be able to help someone with your knowledge there. Social media help, height indicator, software problems. As you can see here, there's so much variety. So you actually have an ability to do a lot of things, even making macros. If you're an Excel expert, go for that one. So as you can see here, there's a lot of opportunities. I'm assuming TaskRabbit is going to be similar, and there's probably other similar task websites in wherever you live. I know generally these are pretty local to their country. So Airtasker is very local to Australia, TaskRabbit to the US, and there's probably ones in the UK as well. But yeah, something to keep an eye out. I usually used to scour these, every day or so just to see what's on there. But yeah, if you have the time, why not do this and make a bit of money? And lastly is online tutoring. Now, you might be thinking online tutoring is literally teaching students to teach, or teach about English, maths, or whatever. And yes, that could be something. However, there are other things like teaching games. For example, I've looked here, League of Legends. So if that's a game, there's a lot of game tutoring as well out there. So if you're good at esports, you could definitely tutor for that. So there's so many options that you can do for tutoring. All you really need to do is find a website that's suitable. I know Fiverr is generally a pretty good website to put pretty much gigs on, and especially if you start your first account. Generally what I find is Fiverr does really promote you pretty heavily when you first start. I know I did a bit of promotion there. I set up my own profile and I got a lot of I guess offers, but not really offers, like people asking for me to do stuff with them. So yeah, definitely does work. But there's obviously other websites that help you find gigs for you to tutor for. Just need to do some Google research. Every country is a bit different as well. But yeah, online tutoring, I know friends who do it. I know someone who teaches actually esports. They do League of Legends actually coaching. So if you're really good at a game or really good at something, why not tutor them or tutor someone for it? There's obviously someone out there who's willing to buy certain skills. I'm pretty decent at certain games I think I could tutor for, but obviously it's really up to you what you think you're really good at that you could provide knowledge to other people. So I hope that's interesting. I want to do a video where it was actually quick ways to make money online, not like, starting a business, because businesses can take a long time to ramp up. Obviously, if you have a network or anything, then that works. But obviously, if you're starting from scratch, well, it's really hard to do that. So hopefully these 3 options give you a bit more insight on what you could do. Some might take a week, some might take a few days, and maybe some might even take an hour to set up. So yeah, definitely check out these options if you want to make a bit of money. Start putting that money into that bank account, you know, generating some extra money. If you're bored on the weekend, you got a couple of hours, got nothing to do and you're bored, why not make a bit of money? So yeah, hopefully this is interesting, and I'll see you in the next video.